How to cancel Plenty of Fish subscription on iPhone.
So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your settings of a device. Once you're inside your settings, head over to your account. The option of subscriptions will be visible to you. Click on it. It will redirect you to this page. So right here you can see it says you do not have any subscriptions. But for you, if you have any subscription to the app, it will be visible in this page.
If you have the Plenty of Fish subscriptions,
then you will also be able to see the app.
You need to head over to the specific app. The option of cancel subscription will be visible to you.
All you want to do is click on it,
and then the subscription for the Plenty of Fish application will be cancelled successfully.
and then you'll be good to go.
So that's it, and this is simply how you can cancel the Plenty of Fish subscription on iPhone.
I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you.
If it does help, then please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching it till the end.